सनि गमगरि सनि जतीस्वरं समगमदनि सनि जतीस्वरं जतीस्वरं सनि गमगरि सनि जतीस्वरं 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 जतीस्वरं.
Namaskaram. I am Shreya Kaundinya, disciple of Srimati Padma S. Raghavan. Rasikas, we are sure you have witnessed the dance of the so wonderfully coordinated dancing duo Shri N. Shrikant and Srimati Ashwati Shrikant. After our earlier sessions on Kuchipudi and Odissi, what do we have now? Silambam Mylapore is extremely happy to present to you in this episode the Jatiswaram in the classical dance form of Kerala, Mohiniyattam, by very renowned, talented and popular dancer Srimati Ashwati Shrikant, who is excellent in both Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. Ashwati hails from a family of distinguished artists, and she is the torchbearer of the Varavur style of Bharatanatyam and the Kerala Kalamandalam style of Mohiniyattam. She started her training under her mother, renowned dancer Srimati Kalamandalam Saraswati, at the tender age of 4. Her passion for Mohiniyattam continued to bloom under the guidance of Srimati Kalamandalam Leelamma. Her thirst for improvement in Bharatanatyam sent her to train under Shri Shrikant, senior disciple of Dr. Padma Subramaniam. Besides being a regular choreographer of solo and group thematic productions, she is a much sought after performer in sabhas as well as in major festivals. She has choreographed and performed in various corporate shows too. She has toured extensively in India and abroad and has many titles and awards to her credit. The daughter of renowned Malayalam writer and filmmaker Shri M.T. Vasudevan Nair, Ashwati teaches in Rityalaya School for Classical Dances functioning in Calicut. She is married to renowned dancer Shri N. Shrikant, and together they engage in the nuances of the art form. We are very privileged to have you on our show. Can you please tell us about the Jatiswaram in Mohiniyattam? How is it similar or different? Also, in these times where programs are for a short period, sadly the Jatiswaram is the first item to be axed in the Bharatanatyam recital. Can you tell us if it is so in Mohiniyattam? What is its place in the Mohiniyattam repertoire? We are very much looking forward to hearing from you and watching your demonstration.
Om Shri Satgurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram everyone. I am Ashwati Shrikant. I am a practitioner of Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. My gurus in Mohiniyattam are my mother, Srimati Kalamandalam Saraswati, and the late Guru Srimati Kalamandalam Leelamma. As I said, I am a proud practitioner of the Kalamandalam style of Mohiniyattam, one of the pioneering styles that established and gave roots and revived the art form of Mohiniyattam in the early 1930s. The journey of Mohiniyattam began, or rather the renaissance of Mohiniyattam began, with the establishment of Kerala Kalamandalam by poet Mahakavi Vallathol Narayana Menon in 1930. When they set about restructuring and formatting the repertoire of Mohiniyattam in Kalamandalam, it was Guru Srimati Chinnamu Amma teacher and later her disciple Guru Srimati Kalamandalam Satyabhama who actually gave it the flesh and the blood and gave it a proper structure as we find it today. The Jatiswaram, yes, it has its influence, or rather it has come about from the Bharatanatyam Jatiswaram. The Jatiswaram is a Nritta piece. It is performed as the second number in the repertoire. The difference between the Bharatanatyam Jatiswaram and the Mohiniyattam Jatiswaram is that the first, the tempo, the speed. In Mohiniyattam, we do mostly perform only in the Vilamba Kala and the Madhyama Kala. Very rarely do we go into the Durita Kala or the fast tempo. Secondly, the Lasya aspect, which is so characteristic of Mohiniyattam. The movements are very fluid and graceful. And the Kanaka, yes, it's all about Kanaka, right? However, the Kanaka or the mathematical calculations or the permutations that are brought about in the core base of the Mohiniyattam Jatiswaram are not as complicated as in the Bharatanatyam Jatiswaram. They are very simple and straightforward. The first Jatiswaram that was composed and choreographed from the Renaissance period of Kalamandalam is in Ragam Chenjurutti set to Aditalam. This is the one that I shall be performing today. Following this, many dancers, many practitioners have composed several Jatiswarams. In Kalamandalam, however, the tradition continues of performing Chenjurutti and also Todi and Saveri Jatiswarams respectively. So with that and with pranams to my gurus, I would like to present Jatiswaram in Ragam Chenjurutti and Aditalam. I also would like to thank Srimati Padma Raghavan Akka of Shilambam, Mylapore for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Magavani
Thank you so much, Akka. We thoroughly enjoyed that wonderful and informative demonstration. Rasikas, thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Do like, share and subscribe.